Hey guys, welcome to Get It Done with Gabby. My name is Gabby, and today we are going to be deep cleaning my fridge. As you can see, it's kind of packed full of leftovers. That's pretty much the constant state of my fridge, so just a heads up, it's not going to be an outrageous transformation. I do not have a Pinterest-worthy fridge. I only have this space to work with, and it pretty much is constantly full of leftovers because we do a lot of meal prep stuff. So we're just here to clean this out, get everything out of there that has expired, because if you did not watch my last video, we all got beat down by the stomach flu for an entire week. So unfortunately, we had a lot of food casualties this week, so I gotta get that all cleaned out of there. And while I'm at it, I'm just going to check all the expiration dates for sauces and all that kind of jazz and just make sure everything is good to go because we all have very sensitive stomachs right now. Also, I have a garage fridge we are also going to be organizing, and I pulled a couple organizational cubby things out of there that I wanted to use for this fridge, but I ended up not using them because there's honestly no space in there to add extra containers. I don't know if we just have like a smaller fridge than other people, but sometimes when I watch people organize their fridge, they have all of these extra little organizational, beautiful devices in there, and I literally do not have space to add extra stuff in there. So I moved those into the pantry because in a couple weeks I want to do a pantry organization video. So I'm just going to use these little extra organizational things for in there because I feel like I have more space in there to work with. If you are new to this channel and enjoy this video or enjoy this type of content, definitely consider subscribing. I would love to have you join my channel. Does anybody else have this problem where they hoard fast food sauces? I really don't know why we do this. We rarely ever go searching for these. So I decided that we are only going to keep 2 of each sauce because I can't see any other scenario in which we would need more than that. So this is my compromise. 2 of each sauce, that's all we get. And I do not want overflowing restaurant sauces anymore. We are officially onto the garage fridge. Now, for us, this is mostly a backups and drinks fridge. As you can tell, our main fridge is pretty much always full, so anything extra we get, bulk items, that kind of stuff, all of our drinks, that is what we keep in here, so that the main fridge is just like currently in use stuff, and then whatever extra stuff we need, we just get out here. So this one's not too dirty or too packed with stuff, but it is such a lifesaver to have this backup fridge, so I'm super, super thankful that we have this.